Assalamu alaikum beautiful people. Hope everybody will be fine. Today in this video we will solve B.Ed Physical Science 2020 intense test paper of Manu University with solution and explanation in English and Hindi. Because many students have problem with Urdu language in this examination, so this problem will be solved. And students, I have discussed previous years B.Ed intense test papers in previous videos, which links given in the description or in the playlist. So let's solve the questions. 51 number is displacement directly proportional to time square. मुंदरजा बाला रिश्ता किस किस्म की हरकत को जाहिर करता है? Displacement directly proportional to time square represents which of the following relationship? As you know that from the equation of motion, displacement equal to ut plus half at square. If initial velocity is 0, then displacement equal to half into at square. Here 1 by 2 constant. So if a by 2 is constant, then d directly proportional to t square. It means acceleration is constant or uniform acceleration. Here option given yaksa raftar, uniform speed, it is incorrect. Yaksa isra, uniform acceleration, it is correct. Izafi isra, increasing acceleration. Taklili isra, decreasing acceleration. B option is correct. Uniform acceleration or constant acceleration. Next question. मुंदरजा झेल ग्राफ से t इक्वल टू 0 से t इक्वल टू 40 के दरमियान औसत चाल कितनी होगी? What will be the average speed from t equal to 0 to t equal to 40 from the following graph? Here you can see object moving from t equal to 0 second to t equal to 40 second. From t equal to 0 to t equal to 20, the displacement is positive, and next displacement from t equal to 20 to 40, it is negative. So average speed equal to total displacement upon total time. Here total displacement is 0 because it is positive, it is negative. So total displacement is 0 and total time is 40 second. 0 by 40 is equal to, it means average speed in this graph will be 0. So answer is 0. So option A is correct. Next question. अगर किसी गर्दिश पजीर शय की शुरुआती रफ्तार 0 और इशरा यकसा हो तो मुंदरजा झेल से कौन सा रिश्ता सही है? If initial velocity is 0 and acceleration is same of a moving object, then which of the following option is correct? As you know that if initial velocity is 0 and acceleration is constant, as you know that from two equation of motion, one is v square equal to u square plus 2as. Here u is 0, then v square equal to 2as. Here acceleration is same, then v directly proportional to root under s. And another equation of motion, v minus u equal to at. Here given in this question, initial velocity is 0, acceleration is same, then final velocity is directly proportional to time. So here option given v directly proportional to root under t, it is incorrect. V directly proportional to root under distance, it is correct. Here x belongs to distance and v directly proportional to time. So both B and C option is correct. Option D is correct. Next question. मुंदरजा झेल ग्राफों से कौन सा ग्राफ खालिस मनफी दूरी और मनफी रफ्तार को जाहिर करता है? Which of the following graph shows the net negative displacement and negative speed? Here you can see in this graph decreasing slope, it means speed is slow, and as you know that area under the velocity and time graph which gives displacement, so area of this portion is positive and speed is decreasing. So this option is incorrect. So this graph cannot give negative displacement. In this graph you can see this portion is less than this portion. It means total displacement is positive and slope is decreasing. It means speed is also decreasing. So this graph cannot give negative displacement. In this graph you can see the increasing slope. It means the speed is increasing and area of this portion is also positive. This option is incorrect. Here in this graph you can see negative constant speed and area of this portion is also negative. So this graph gives us constant negative speed and negative displacement. So first graph is correct. So option A is correct. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, न्यूटन के डैश हासिल कर सकते हैं. न्यूटन्स लॉ इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम विच आर द फॉलोइंग लॉज. एज यू नो दैट न्यूटन्स थर्ड एंड फर्स्ट लॉ आर डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम द सेकेंड लॉ. सो हेयर ऑप्शन गिवन. दूसरे और तीसरे कानून को पहले कानून से. सेकेंड एंड थर्ड लॉ डिराइव फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट. इट इज़ इनकरेक्ट. पहले और दूसरे कानून को तीसरे कानून से. दैट मीन्स फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड लॉ आर डिराइव फ्रॉम द थर्ड. इट इज़ इनकरेक्ट. तीसरे और पहले कानून को दूसरे कानून से. दैट मीन्स थर्ड एंड फर्स्ट लॉ आर डिराइव फ्रॉम द सेकेंड. इट इज़ करेक्ट ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दो कुव्वतों 2 न्यूटन और 3 न्यूटन का मसावी कुव्वत कभी भी नहीं होगा. The resultant of two forces of magnitude 2 Newton and 3 Newton can never be. As you know that the resultant of two force is lie between their difference and sum. So the difference of these forces is 1 Newton and the sum of these forces is 5 Newton. So the resultant of two forces, that is 1 Newton and 2 Newton, will lie from or between 1 Newton and 5 Newton. Now satisfy the options one by one. 4 Newton satisfies this range. 1 Newton also belongs to this range. 2.5 Newton also lie between this range. 1 by 2 Newton is out of this range. So the resultant of two forces can never be 1 by 2 Newton. So it is correct. Next question, ज़मीन का ज़ावियाई रफ्तार कितना होता है. What is the angular velocity of earth? As you know that the angular velocity of earth, as you know that time taken by the earth to complete one revolution is 24 hours. Then angular velocity will be 2 pi by t. Here time taken in second. So by converting 24 hours into second, we get 2 pi by 24 into 60 into 60. So by solving this we get 2 pi by 86400 radian per second. So angular velocity of earth will be 2 pi by 86400 radian per second. Option A is correct. Next question, 1 HD equal to what? Here I think it is misprint. According to me it will be 1 HP horsepower. As you know that 1 horsepower equal to 746 joule. So option A is correct according to 1 HP. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मुंदरजा झेल कुदरती वाक़या से किस को हिरन की प्यास से तगैर किया जाता है. Which of the natural phenomena is interpreted as deer's thirst? As you know that in desert area a hot sun beating down on sand and it gives an illusion of water and a thirsty deer runs towards it, so it is called deer's thirst, and this phenomena is called mirage. So here option given kos kaza. Kos kaza means Wambo, it is incorrect. Iltibas, iltibas means disorder. Halanur, halanur means lights around the moon. Sarab, sarab means mirage. So D option is correct. Next question, कुव्वतों की कौन सी तरतीब सही है? Which of the following sequence of forces is correct? As you know that electrostatic force is stronger than gravitational force and strong force is stronger than weak force. So this sequence is correct. Next question, बरकी सकूनी कुव्वत इक्वल टू डैश तिजाज़बी कुव्वत. Electrostatic force is equal to how many times of gravitational force? As you know that electrostatic force is equal to 10 to the power 36 times of gravitational force. So option B is correct. Next question, प्रिंसिपिया का मुसन्निफ कौन है? Who is the author of book Principia? As you know that the author of Principia is Isaac Newton. So option A is correct, Newton. Next question, सूरज की कीमियत ज़मीन के तकरीबन कितने चांद की कीमियत के बराबर होगी? The mass of sun is about how many times more than the mass of moon? As you know that the mass of sun is about 27 million times more than the mass of moon. Here option given in lakh, 27 million written in lakh as 270 lakh. So option C is correct. Next question, मुंदरजा झेल से प्लूटो का नया नाम कौन है? As you know that the new name of Pluto is dwarf planet. It is known by asteroid number 134340. So here given 134340. Option D is correct. Next question, किसी मस्तवी आईना की कुव्वत कितनी होती है? What is the power of plane mirror? As you know that the radius of curvature of plane mirror is infinity. So the focal length of plane mirror will be also infinity. Therefore power of plane mirror will be 1 by focal length, that is 1 by infinity equal to 0. So option B is correct. Next question, किसी भी चार शफाफ वास्ते के लिए μ41 इंटू μ32 इंटू μ21 का मान क्या होगा? For any transparent 4 medium, what will be the value of μ41 into μ32 into μ21? As you know that refractive index of a medium with respect to another medium equal to refractive index of medium 3 with respect to 2 is written as V2 by V3, and refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 is written as V1 by V2. Here velocity 2 cancel. Here 4 terms are remaining, V1 by V4 into V1 by V3. I think some misprint in place of 3 2. Here it will be μ12. If we consider μ32 as μ12, then it is written as in terms of velocity V1 by V4 into V2 by V1 and V1 by V2. Here V1 cancel, V2 cancel. Only two terms are remaining, V1 by V4. It is written as N41. Also in terms of mu, here correct answer will be 1 by mu 1 4. D option is correct. If here will be N12 in place of N32. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वह कौन सा सैयारा है जिसकी कसाफत पानी की कसाफत से कम होती है और जिसे पानी की सतह पर रखने के बाद वह इस पर तैरना शुरू कर देता है? विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्लानेट हुज डेंसिटी इज लेस देन डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर? एज यू नो दैट Saturn is only planet whose density is less than water because it is mainly composed of helium and hydrogen. So here option given: Atarat, that means Mercury; Zahra, that means Venus; Zahel, that means Saturn. It is correct. Marikh, that means Mars. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, शू मेकर लेवी 9 क्या है? व्हाट इज शू मेकर लेवी 9? यू नो दैट इट इज 9th शॉर्ट कॉमेट. इट वाज फर्स्ट डिटेक्टेड बाय डेविड लेवी एंड कैरोलीन शू मेकर. हियर ऑप्शन गिवन: शहाब साकिब, दैट मीन्स ब्रोकन स्टार और मेटियोर; कुतुब तारा, दैट मीन्स पोल स्टार; दमदार तारा, दैट मीन्स कॉमेट. इट इज़ करेक्ट ऑप्शन सितारा, दैट मीन्स स्टार. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इंटरनेशनल स्पेस स्टेशन किस मदार में वाक़ है? इंटरनेशनल स्पेस स्टेशन इज लोकेटेड इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑर्बिट? एज यू नो दैट इंटरनेशनल स्पेस स्टेशन इज located in low earth orbit. So correct option is option A. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फ्यूज वायर की रेटिंग को किस में जाहिर किया जाता है? द रेटिंग ऑफ फ्यूज वायर इज एक्सप्रेस्ड इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टर्म्स? एज यू नो दैट द रेटिंग ऑफ फ्यूज वायर इज एक्सप्रेस्ड इन एम्पियर्स. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 3-6 ओम के मज़ाहमतों को एक मुसल्लस की शक्ल में जोड़ा गया है. किसी भी दो कोनों के दरमियान मज़ाहमत कितनी होगी? 3-6 ओम रेसिस्टेंस आर कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ट्रायंगुलर सर्किट. देन व्हाट इज द इक्विवेलेंट रेसिस्टेंस बिटवीन एनी टू एंगल ऑफ ए ट्रायंगल? 3-6 ohm resistance are connected like this triangular form. Here we consider an angle B. Then we have to find equivalent resistance between angle A and B. Here the wire is continuous, so both resistance are connected in series. Equivalence resistance of these two resistance is 12 ohm and 12 ohm is parallel to the 6 ohm. Then resultant resistance of 12 ohm and 6 ohm is 12 into 6 by 12 plus 6 18. So equivalent resistance between A and B will be 4 ohm. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ईएमएफ की इकाई क्या होती है? व्हाट इज द यूनिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमोटिव फोर्स? द यूनिट ऑफ ईएमएफ इज वोल्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 1 ohm equal to how many EMU? As you know that the 1 ohm equal to 10 to the power 9 EMU. So correct option is B. Next question, 1 watt hour equal to? As you know that watt hour is a unit of energy 1 joule. So 1 joule is written as 1 kg meter square per second square. So correct option is D. Next question. AC को DC में तब्दील करने के तरीके को क्या कहते हैं? The process of converting alternating current into direct current is called rectification. Correct option is B. Next question. मुंदरजा झेल में से किसे हकीरुल जस्सा सैयारा कहा जाता है? Which planet is called dwarf planet? I don't know exact meaning of Hakirul Jassa, but I try to pronounce this as dwarf. So Pluto is called dwarf planet. Here option given Pluto. Zakhul, that means Saturn. Mushtari, that means Jupiter. Marikh, that means Mars. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. किस हैयतदां ने दरियाफ्त किया था कि मरीख सूरज के गिर्द बेज़वी मदार में गर्दिश पजीर है? विच एस्ट्रोनॉट्स डिस्कवर्ड मार्स इन एन एलिप्टिकल ऑर्बिट अराउंड द सन? As you know that Kepler scientists discovered an elliptical orbit of planet of the Mars around the sun. So correct option is C. Next question. अगर सूरज की मौत वाक़ होती है तो वह किस शक्ल में तब्दील होता है? If sun dies, does it change in which of the following shape? As you know that sun composed of helium. Once all the helium disappears, then force of gravity will take over and sun will be changed into white dwarf. So here option given Safed Hakirul Jassa Sayara white dwarf. It is correct. Syah Hakirul Jassa Sayara black dwarf planet. So A option is correct. Next question. सबसे पहले किसने सैयारों का इसके चमक दमक के लिहाज से दर्जे बंदी की थी? Who first classified the planet in terms of their luminosity? As you know that the scientists first classify the planet in terms of their luminosity is Copernicus. So correct option is C. Next question. लफ्ज़ एटम को यूनानी ज़बान से अखज़ किया गया है जिसके माना डैश हैं. The word atom is derived from Greek word which means indivisible or uncuttable. So here option given small, it is incorrect. Indivisible, so it is correct. Next question. मुअय्यारी दर्जे हरारत डैश कहते हैं? Standard temperature are called, as you know that 0 degree Celsius or 273 Kelvin is called standard temperature. 1 atm is called standard pressure and 1 C or 1 mole per liter is called standard concentration. So here, standard temperature is 0 degree Celsius or 273 Kelvin. Here option given 0 degree Celsius, it is correct. Next question. सूरज का कितना फीसद हिस्सा तवानाई में तब्दील हो चुका है? What percentage of sun's mass has been converted into energy? I am not 100% sure for this question. According to me, approx 0.034% sun's mass has been converted into energy. So here option given 50%, 1%, 2% or 0.001% near to this option. According to me, it is correct, but exact answer will be 0.034%. Sun's mass has been converted into energy. Next question. शमसी इशआ का कितना हिस्सा दर हकीकत ज़मीन तक पहुँचता है? How much part of solar radiation actually reaches to the Earth's surface? As you know that approx 0.45 into 10 to the power minus 9 part of solar radiation actually reaches to the Earth's surface. So here option given in the fraction. Well, by converting this into fraction, we get 0.45 by 10 to the power 9. Here only one option in denominator given 10 to the power 9. So D option is correct, but it is approx equal to 0.45. Next question. मरीख की कर्रा फ़िज़ाई में खुसूसन कौन सी गैस पाई जाती है? Which gas is found in the atmosphere of Mars? As you know that the maximum amount of carbon dioxide is found in the atmosphere of Mars. So here correct option is carbon dioxide. Next question. Kelvin हरारत पेमा का मुजद्दिद कौन है? Who is the inventor of Kelvin scale? As you know that the inventor of Kelvin scale is Sir William Thomson. Option C is correct. नूरी तालीफ के अम्ल में क्लोरोफिल एक डैश है. In the process of photosynthesis, the chlorophyll is a. Here option given मुतामिल इंटरैक्टिव, पैदावार प्रोडक्शन, आमिल आयरम बदल that means change agent, दरमियानी तादद that means medium frequency. As you know that in the process of photosynthesis, chlorophyll absorb sun energy, then transform into water and carbon dioxide. Then carbon dioxide and water combine to produce oxygen and carbohydrate. So most appropriate option is production according to me. Next question. मुंदरजा झेल में से किस अज़वी अज़ाइयत का हरारत जासिब से ज़्यादा होता है? Which of the following organic nutrient has highest temperature? Here option given lahmiya that means protein, charbi that means fat, nishasta that means starch, shakar that means sugar. As you know that fat has highest temperature, so correct option is B. Next question. एटमी बम का मुजद्दिद किसे कहा जाता है? Who is the inventor of atom bomb? As you know that the inventor of atom bomb is Oppenheimer. Option B is correct. Next question. किस गैस को तमस्खरी गैस कहते हैं? Which of the following gas is called laughing gas? Nitrous oxide is called laughing gas. So A option is correct. Next question. इंसानी मादा में ज़्यादातर कौन सा तेज़ाब पाया जाता है? Which acid is mostly found in human stomach? As you know that hydrochloric acid is mostly found in human stomach. So correct option is C. Next question. कार ड्राइवर के ज़रिए इस्तेमाल की जाने वाली हिफाजती थैली में कौन सा कीमियाई मादा भरा जाता है? Which chemical substance is used in the safety bag by the car driver? As you know that sodium azide is filled by the car driver in the safety bag. The chemical formula of sodium azide is NaN3. Next question. किस दर्जे हरारत पर गैस का हज़्म सिफर हो जाता है? At what temperature does the mass become zero? As you know that at absolute temperature the mass becomes zero. because as you know that from the ideal gas equation PV equal to nRT. If mass is 0, then temperature also 0, that means 0 Kelvin. It is also written as minus 273 degrees Celsius. Here option given 0 Kelvin, so correct option is A. Next question, रियल गैस किस दर्जे हरारत पर आइडियल गैस की तरह बर्ताव करता है? Real gas behave like an ideal gas at which temperature and pressure? As you know that real gas behave like an ideal gas at low pressure and high temperature. So correct option is ज़्यादा दबाव और कम दर्जे हरारत. It is wrong. कम दबाव और ज़्यादा दर्जे हरारत, that means low pressure and high temperature. It is correct. Next, मुंदरजा जेल में से किसे फुल्स गोल्ड से ताबीर किया जाता है? Which of the following is called fool's gold? As you know that iron pyrite is called fool's gold. So D option is correct. Or it is simply called pyrite. Its formula is FeS2. It is also called iron sulfide. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, तशद्दुद के दौरान इस्तेमाल की जाने वाली गैस कौन सी है? What gas is used during the violence? CS gas is used during the violence because this gas is powerful form of tear gas which is used in control the violence. So correct option is C. Next question, लोगरिथमी पैमाना पर 6 की शिद्दत का ज़लज़ला 4 की शिद्दत के ज़लज़ला के मुकाबले में कितना बड़ा होता है? Earthquake of 6 magnitude on logarithmic scale would be how much stronger than the earthquake of magnitude 4? As you know that the magnitude of earthquake is represented on logarithmic scale, so the earthquake of magnitude of 6 is 100 times stronger than earthquake of magnitude 4 on logarithmic scale. So 100 times is correct. Next question, कौन सा बहर S की शक्ल का है? Which ocean is in the shape of S? Here option given बहरे ओकियानूस, that means Atlantic Ocean, बहरे कुतुब शुमाली नॉर्थ पोल ओशन, बहरे अल-काहिल पैसिफिक ओशन, बहरे हिंद इंडियन ओशन. So correct option is the Atlantic Ocean is in the shape of S. So correct option is A. Next question, ज़मीन का सबसे अंदरूनी परत किस अनासर का बना होता है? The innermost layer of the earth made up of which of the following elements? As you know that the innermost layer of the earth is known as core, and core is divided into two parts, inner core and outer core. Inner core is made up of mainly nickel and iron with temperature up to 5500 degrees Celsius. Iron and nickel. So correct option is D. Next question, Pacific Ring of Fire किससे मंसूब है? Pacific Ring of Fire is belongs to which of the following? As you know that Ring of Fire is a string of underwater volcanoes and earthquake sites around the Pacific Ocean. So Pacific Ring of Fire is belongs to volcanoes and earthquake. Here option given हरारी बिजली घर, that means electric house, आतिश फशा और ज़लज़ला, that means volcanoes and earthquake. It is correct option. Next question, ख़त अस्तवा पर समुद्री पानी के बालाई सतह का दर्जे हरारत कितना होता है? What is the surface temperature of the sea water at the equator? As you know that The surface temperature of the sea water at equator is lie between 27 to 28 degrees Celsius. So correct option is B, 27 degrees Celsius. So students, I have discussed total 100 questions from 51. I hope it will be help you. If any doubts regarding these questions, then please comment your questions in the comment box. I try to reply your answer. Thanks for watching.